Now, to promise truth, you have to be extraordinarily careful because these people, they get hidden agenda behind these apologies. KLF family, they be like green snake under green grass. Do you expect anything good from a mother of three different fathers? What do you?
Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. Now do well. So now take the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless you. I really appreciate you now well. My people, this video where I go put for now, so I go put am for now. More watch the full video. This our brother consent message to consent to message to promise. That's a father of Valerie and KO family. So this brother talk about this apology where KO family come do Atina yesterday on Sunday morning. So many people they talk about this apology, say there maybe something they under e get wetin e wan do. While some people even they talk say maybe e wan give a promise to Ogbalegbe for Austria. Many people they talk about many things. Even this our brother even talk about say may promise may wise because maybe they be like green snake under the green grass. Say many things full in hand if he do and not do because you know say because of this Valerie something many things where maybe don't talk even the way it say they do you will notice and say like a person where be like say wicked, you understand. Even the last one where he do where come talk say they arrest the brother say na Valerie na go suffer everything wey dey happen. So whether promise no think about her now no say never pass a week, never even reach a week wey maybe come out again before I come do this apology come say may Valerie come beg his father, may talk say he forgive his father. Many people they talk many things. This our brother talk many things for inside this video. I'll leave am for una more and listen. Abeg more help me share am, may for reach promise hand. More help me share this video. They're very important because he talk many things for inside. Now no, so everybody get their own opinion. Everybody get the way they think. And this brother na still from Agbo, from the same place from KO family and promise. So me I just put on for una more and listen to wetin talk. God bless you for being here. I appreciate you now. Now bye.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's on to drop short message to Promise Choose, the father of Valerie, the little girl, the small girl okay leg family. They follow the drag from her father. I don't get this small short advice for you. Please, you have to be very, very careful. Because these apologies where KLF family carry come and my brother tell the truth, there is hidden agenda behind these apologies. There's hidden agenda. So you have to be extraordinarily careful before you get into do this family, this KLF family. So you have to be very, very careful. Because after they don't destroy this girl's life finish, teach her all manners of irresponsible, just different manner of wayward life. Teach her not to respect her father and her elders. Then another man can call her to her father. After they don't poison her mind, use her to insult her father. But the truth is, my message now to you promise truth. You have to be extraordinarily careful because these people they get hidden agenda behind these apologies. KLF family they be like green snake under green grass. Do you expect anything good from a mother of three different fathers? What do you expect from that kind of woman? Woman get 4 children for 3 different fathers. Do you expect anything good from her? Nothing good. After they don't use that girl to insult her father throughout for social media where the whole world see. Okay, you tell me now about Valerie. What do you expect more from that girl now? Do you expect anything good from that girl? I will never expect anything good from that girl anymore. Because people don't destroy that girl, put different bad thoughts over her in her mind. Okay, like this girl Valerie, you expect me to say, maybe my brother, my son, will carry this girl now, this very Valerie, come house, come marry her. You should come to that house. Where that for happen? Then we come out for social media, insult her father. They call her different names. Insult her grandparents. Okay, now two different men they come out and they drive for this girl. Imagine the kind of wayward life where her mother live. If her mother live good life, two men will come out and call the drag saying that them be the father of that of this very little girl. And the life where her mother live, the seed where she sow before she go, that is this one so the fruit of this one so. Two different men come out the drag for one girl. Imagine the kind of wayward life where her mother live. People they talk about say the man about the girl, the man about the girl. Now I talk as I said, I don't know what most of our women do for Europe. We say if she and the boyfriend girl, she could deny the man access to that baby or the boy or the girl or the access to the child. Now I talk as I said, I don't know what our women do for Europe. Most of them because of child benefits. They'll deny the man access to the children. They all sit down on top of the benefits alone. If you look, okay, check most of these people where they say yes, they support say yes, the family do well for trying to reunion her with her father. Most of the people then they support us, mean they don't allow the man get access to his daughter. Now they don't change the man, two-faced people. This person from choose promise choose now I guess message. Promise choose, please be very extraordinarily careful on how you will do this people. And what you do with them and the way you talk to them. Because now today your man they find they don't get some things from you, some information from you, so vital information from you. So be very careful, be very vigilant. This for the black green snake or that green grass. This apology, so come and apologize, my brother, tell the truth. They get hidden agenda. They get hidden agenda. This only the same family where come and say they don't know you. They don't know as Valerie father. It's not the same family. This Kelly family. And the man where the Kelly family husband, the baby father me, where abandon children for Nigeria. Call the father man drag children for a year. We go shine it like go to the road they roast. You not go take your children for Nigeria. Call the father man drag pikin for a year. You know if you call your wife sit down advise her, talk sense to her. They shine it up and down for video like go to the roast. The you Kelly baby father. The last born, the baby father. See how we want life, what you call it for Europe. About the children of Africa. Call Europe, call drag on that man children, on that man daughter. Why you on the Africa, they roast for them, they hungry, they kill them for there. You know take care for those sons. You know God adopt them, carry come Europe where you dey. Call for that man, the drag picking for European. Do things like go to the roast. Always be careful on what you do with these people, how you deal with them. Be extraordinarily careful. That's my message to you, Promise Choose. Please share this video. Let this video get to Promise Choose. They live in France. Be careful. Thank you very much.